No, ma'am. No.
Zoe.
Over here.
Oh, Zoe.
Leave it alone. Thank you. No, don't touch. Leave it alone. 1. Didn't I tell you to leave it alone?
Ha.
Yeah, that's what else.
Not as bad as you are.
Oh, I was Debbie No Touch.
Yeah.
Believe me, I was in order.
You couldn't name me.
Exactly. My mother was a real terror.
No, ma'am.
Touching a lot of things for her to get bad news.
If I touched one thing, it would have been too many.
But I mean, to have an opinion is all you know.
Well, that's my mother, you know. Oh, Debbie, this is your mother. Like, I don't know who you are? Really? And you tell me this every single time you call me? And you speak to me 4 or 5 days a week, really?
You should get all upset and say,
You're not my mother. I'd be like, you imposter. What?
what have you done with my mother?
He's taking a video.
Yeah.